Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to turn your fashion drawings into real. So, let us begin. To start, launch your web browser and go to OpenArt AI. If you already have an account, simply log in to access your personalized dashboard. Now, click on Sketch to Image. On the left side, either click to select or drag and drop your fashion drawing for upload. Feel free to explore different styles by scrolling down. Once your drawing is uploaded and you have chosen your preferred style, just click Create. Like magic, your fashion sketch will transform into a stunning image. For a closer look, simply click on the generated image. It's as easy as that. Unleash your creative potential and bring your fashion ideas to life with OpenArt. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.